Today we are discussing graph of absolute value. Graph of absolute values. Horizontal shift. The function is absolute value of x and the graph is shown as v. This is the graph of absolute value, the blue color graph. Now, if the function begins like x plus a, absolute value of x plus a means it moves left side, and if it's x minus a, then this minus sign represents that it moves right side. Now let's draw the graph of absolute value of x plus 2. This plus 2 shift 2 points to the left, so it will become minus 2. X plus 2 equals to 0, then it's x equals to minus 2. So the graph starts from negative 2 like this. So this is the graph of x plus 2. Now we will discuss graph of absolute value x minus 3. This minus 3 shifts the graph 3 points towards right. So it starts from 3. This absolute value of x moves 3 points to the right. Now the graph will become this. This is the graph for absolute value of x minus 3. Now in this section we'll discuss the double transformation, horizontal and vertical shift. In the graph, absolute value of x minus 2 plus 1 and x plus 3 minus 2. What makes the difference if we have x minus 2 plus 1? Now let's see what is the shape of this graph. Absolute value of x minus 2 plus 1. So x minus 2 means the graph moves 2 points towards right hand and 1 point above x-axis. This is the graph of absolute value of x. It looked like V. Now x minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 means it moves 2 points to the right, and this plus 1 means 1 point up. Now in drawing the graph, first we draw the graph of x minus 2. It moves 2 points to the right. So this is the graph of x minus 2. Minus 2 moves the graph 2 points to the right. It starts from 2 plus 2. And this plus 1 moves the graph 1 point up. So now the bottom point of this graph is 2, 1. It moves 2 points to right and 1 up. So this is the graph of absolute value of x minus 2 plus 1.